My family, hi, welcome to my home. My name is Paul. I'm 12 years old and this is my beautiful family. There are 6 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my 2 sisters, my younger brother and me. This is my sister, Olivia, who is 10. She is in the 4th grade. She loves reading. Her favorite school subject is English. This is my younger brother, Oliver, who is 7. He is in the 1st grade. He loves playing games with his spinning job. He never seems to have enough. This is my youngest sister, Lucy, who has just turned 4. She is in kindergarten and loves playing with her dolls. We get along very well and love each other very much, but, well, sometimes we have our fights and arguments too. We usually make up soon afterwards. My mom is a nurse and she works in a hospital. She is so kind and compassionate, and she always takes good care of the sick people. When she gets home, she always helps us with our homework. My mom is an excellent cook and she loves to bake delicious cakes. My dad is a photographer. He travels pretty often with his job to make great pictures in different places. When he returns home from his travels, he tries to spend as much time as possible with us, and we have a lot of fun together. On weekends, we sometimes go on bike rides together. This is my uncle, my mom's brother. His name is Simon. He and my dad are brothers-in-law. My dad doesn't have any siblings. My uncle is so proud to have 2 nephews. My dad is a little bit older than me. My uncle is so proud to have 2 nephews and 2 nieces. This is my aunt. She is my uncle's wife. Her name is Grace. They have 2 kids, a 3-year-old daughter named Lizzie, and a newborn son. They are my cousins. Happy birthday, Grandma. Thank you, sweetheart. This is my grandma. We are celebrating her birthday. She is turning 55. Now she has 6 grandchildren, 3 grandsons and 3 granddaughters. She and my grandpa are farmers and they live on a big farm in the countryside. She loves feeding her animals and sleeping care of them. She also enjoys working in the garden. She has many fruits and vegetables. We love spending our vacations on her farm. She has so many wonderful tales to tell us all the time. My grandpa is 16. He is pretty energetic and really hardworking. He wakes up very early in the morning every day. There's always something to do with the farm, and my grandpa is always busy. He is very funny.